Mhm. Okay, good evening, guys. So, good evening. Today I'm going to be explaining how to trade profitably. So, I'm going to be explaining how to trade profitably using signals and how to make consistent $500 in less than 30 days with or without no knowledge concerning forex trading. Okay, so this is what I am going to be explaining today. So before we continue, I want to warn you guys before we continue. Now, the video you're about to watch is for high profitable traders. When I mean high profitable traders, I mean people who are ready to work, who are ready to put in the work and be sure to be profitable in the financial market. So if you are someone that you're not ready to put in the work, you're not ready to be profitable, then this class is not for you, okay? But I must warn you, you must spend at least 15 minutes to stay till the end of this webinar. If you want to join these high profitable traders, if you want to be part of my team and trade with me, then you must stay to the end of this video. But if you are not willing to make profit, you are not willing to make any profit, you can actually leave this class. This class is not for you. So before we continue, I want to promise you. So my promise to you is on this webinar, I'm going to be explaining and you also discover the right strategy and action plan for unlimited profit in the financial market. And I'll start showing you how to make at least $500 in just 30 days, only if you are ready to put in the work. Okay, this is not magic. So even if you have no prior knowledge about forex trading, not just that, I'm going to be rewarding over $100 worth to you that will stay till the end of this webinar. So you might be the lucky winner. So let us go. So here is the testimonies from a single trade just last week. I want you to look at this testimony very well. This is actually not an edited testimony. This is actually a testimony from a real account. You can actually see it's actually from a real account. Over $1,500 made from a real account. Okay, now if you are going to convert this to your local currency, this is actually over 2.4 million naira made just from a single trade, and this is actually from a client account. Now I want you to look at it well. This is not a fake, this is actually not an edited result. Now this is to show you guys that there is money to be made in the financial market. And I also want you to look at this testimony of one of my students. He made over 145 profit for actually see his testimony was like, good morning, you 145 profits. Thank you so much. And he actually did this just from a single trade. Okay, so let us continue. And here are more testimonies. I want you to zoom this testimony. If you can't see properly, I want you to actually zoom this testimony. Over $131 made for my students, more profit. You can actually see these are profit from real account. Now, more profits. I want you to look at this profit, zoom in and actually see that these are profit from real account. Now, I want you to look at this testimony very well. This is actually not an edited testimony. This is actually a real I'm also an entrepreneur. Now, with a lot of success stories in the market, I want you to know that is the right way to be profitable. Even though you have no prior knowledge concerning forex trading, you never traded before, I am going to be showing you how to make consistent profit trading the financial market. Let us get to it. This live webinar is for beginner. So if you're actually a beginner, this live webinar is for you. It is actually not limited to anybody. It's for traders. Maybe you have basic knowledge concerning forex trading, and it's also for Facebook ad, on Google ad. I don't know where you guys are coming from, or you came across my video on TikTok, and you'll be wondering how we are able to make profit as a team, as a community of forex traders. Well, my first trading community, many of my students have been able to trade the financial market with my signals daily, even though they have no knowledge about how the financial markets work. Okay, now you can actually see testimonies on some of my students. Now, these numbers you are actually seeing in blues, they are actually profit in dollars. I want you to take a look. Now, if you are to calculate this thing, if you are to calculate these numbers, if you have to calculate it in dollars, you can actually see that they are making good money for themselves. And most of these people are actually complete beginners that they have no knowledge. Some have basic knowledge, some have never traded. This is actually their first time trading with me, and you can actually see that they are making profit. Why? Because they use the right strategy I'm going to be explaining. They use the right strategy I'm going to be explaining in this video. Okay, so and I want to show you guys that I don't only flip small accounts. Okay, look at this testimony. This is over $500 made, this is over $1,000 made, and this is over $3,000 made. I don't only flip accounts, we don't only flip small accounts, we don't only flip small accounts, we actually flip big accounts also. So let us continue. Now the reason why we are here is because of fresh trading. Now, I want to explain what fresh trading is all about and what is actually traded in the financial market. The foreign exchange market, which is actually known as forex or FX. Now, this is actually the largest financial market in the whole world. It is actually the largest financial market. This is to say, the forex market is actually larger than the crypto market. It is actually larger than the stock market. Now, because of the worldwide reach of trade, commerce, and finance, forex tend to be the largest and most liquid assets market. That means there's a lot of liquidity. Now, that means the money to be made in the financial market is unlimited. There's a lot of liquidity in the market. Now, when I started as a newbie, I remember I grew many accounts trying to learn and understand how the markets work. As a newbie, everybody have experienced this. You will always blow your account, have new different account with different account size, trying to understand what the market is all about and how the market work. I came up with a strategy that has been working for me, and I learned the strategy. Now, this is the same strategy I'll be teaching you guys how to use and also benefit. Now, let me introduce one of my strategy to you guys. If you know nothing about fresh trading, let me tell you something. Be rest assured you are going to be carried along. Now, the strategy I use is actually called the power imbalance concept. Okay, the power imbalance concept. After plenty of backtesting, I came up with this strategy called the power imbalance concept. Now, this takes advantage of huge price action in the market, securing over three times profit per trade. Took advantage of huge market price action and it secured over three times profit per trade. Using this strategy, I discover ways to flip accounts. I discover ways to flip accounts. Now, through my signals, I'm going to be teaching you how to flip small accounts like 30 to 100 to 500 with my strategy and risk management. If you're a fresh trader, you should also know that by now you should know that risk management is actually very important. Managing your accounts well is important. It's not about funding your account, but the question you should ask yourself is once I fund my account, can I manage it well? Can I flip well? That is the question you should ask yourself. So many of you may be wondering how it is possible to flip accounts with such ease and accuracy. Many of you guys may be wondering how it is actually possible to flip accounts with such ease and accuracy. So I actually discovered the potential to make money in the financial market by leveraging the market imbalance and achieve this with the correct setup confirmation, and most importantly, patience. Okay. Now, In forex trading, patience is very crucial. Like, patience is actually very, very, very important. So if you don't have patience, if you are someone that you are not patient, I will tell you not to go into this online business. Traders often face volatile market conditions and make impulsive decisions, and this can lead to significant losses. Now, when you are waiting for the right entry and exit point, adhering to a well-defined strategy and enduring market fluctuation with composure are key aspects. These are actually key aspects of what successful trading. Now, patience allow traders to avoid emotional reaction. Now, one of the basic thing, like one of the most basic limitation to you becoming a profitable trader is your emotion. So if you are someone that you don't know how to control your emotions, this is going to affect you in your trading journey. Okay, so traders avoid emotional reactions to short-term market movement and stick to their long-term trading plan. Now remember, I want you to remember, the key word is patient. Now if you are a greedy person, you can actually succeed in forex trading. If you are someone that can't control your emotions, you can't succeed in forex trading. You too, you can be part of my team if you want to make money. Now, if you are willing to make profit, you can be part of my team and trade with me. So now let me explain the strategy. I've talked about what forex trading is, and I talk about the limitation. So let me explain the right strategy for you to use. Okay. Now, I don't know if most of you have heard about copy and paste trading, but if you have not, I am going to be explaining it here. Now, let me explain copy and paste trading. Copy and paste trading is this is the strategy my students use to make good profits for themselves also. So what is this all about? It is so all you need to do is to actually copy and paste trades from experts. So all you need to do with copy and paste trading, all you need to do is just copy and paste trade from experts. So you don't even need to analyze the market. You don't need to analyze the market. You just drop signals. You drop signals in the group and you copy and paste this trade. So there's no need to break a sweat. This is actually a good way to make passive income. So you only copy and paste trade in your trading account and you make profit. They don't need to break a sweat analyzing the chart. They don't need. Most of my students, that if you actually see from the beginning of this video, I shared some testimonies to you guys. Now most of these people, they did not do any work. So how they did was for me to just post trades in the trade setup in the group, and what they do was to just take this trade, copy and paste this trade. That is what they do. So you don't need to break a sweat analyzing the chart. You don't need to have all the own knowledge you need to know concerning forex trading before you can actually make money with it. This is what most people do not know. So they feel the only way they can make money as a trader is when they are a pro trader. You can actually look for someone, either a mentor, someone that is very good, copy and paste their trades. Copy and paste their trades. Okay, so I do all the analysis, and what they actually do was to copy and paste my trade. That is what they just do. Okay, so now the total value of the forex market is estimated to be over 2,000 quadrillion US dollar. This is not billion. This market is very huge. The forex market is large. There's a lot of money. There's a lot of money in the financial market, only if you know the right way to make it. Now, all you need is just consistency. You need consistency and patience, and we are going to make this money together, okay? So yes, you can flip any amount of money easily. It's very, very possible. You can flip any amount of money. If you are following me, you are going to be seeing the result of some of my students, the way they flip any amount, the way they flip amount in the financial market. Now, do you want to do 110 to $150? Yes, it's very possible. Yes, you can do that. Do you want to do 30 to $450? It is very possible. Yes, you can actually do it. Do you want to do 50 to $650? Yes, you can actually do it. Do you want to do 100 to $900? It is very, very, very possible. Do you want to do 500 to 1,000, over $1,000? The money to be made is actually unlimited. Okay, I am not lying about this. It is unlimited. So I have done it, and my students have a lot of testimony. You can actually go through every single screenshot and see what I'm talking about. Go through every screenshot. My students have done it. If you are following me up on my WhatsApp community, on my WhatsApp status, you are going to be getting more results from my students and I. So you can actually see. I want you to answer this question in your mind. Now, the year is about to end. The question you should ask is, do you want to make consistent money in the financial market? Do you want to make money from the financial market? Do you want to start being profitable with forex? That is one question I want you to ask yourself. Or do you want to flip that your small capital, that your small money that you have, do you want to flip it to something huge? Do you want to trade with me and enjoy profit and make money? That is the question you should ask yourself. Okay, I want you to ask yourself. Now the year is about to end, like I used to say. You don't want to end the year broke. There is plenty of opportunities for you to make money, especially in the financial market, even though you're a complete beginner. Now, I have explained everything to you guys, how you also can actually be profitable in the financial market, okay? So, what do you need to start trading with me? How I explained how the right strategy I use, which is the market imbalance concept. This is the strategy that helped me make money in the financial market. I also explain how my students are actually making money, which is copy and pasting trades. That is, they copy and paste signals. I explained it. They don't analyze the chart. So I just drop a trade setup. I drop a trade setup. They just copy and paste this trade. So what do you need to start trading with me? That is the question. Okay, I have talked about first trading, how it is actually a large market, financial market, how the liquidity in the financial market is huge. I've explained all of this. But the question you should ask yourself, is it possible? Even though you have no knowledge, yes, it is very possible. And the question is, you may be asking yourself, how can I start now? How can I be making money in the financial market? You only need these three things to start. Okay, if you want to trade with me and if you want to be part of my students, you only need these three things. You don't need much. Number one is access to my VIP group. That is the number one. That is the number one thing you need. Access to my VIP group. Now you need your smartphone. You need your phone. Okay? And our recommended broker. Now, what is a broker? If you don't know what a broker is, these are the people that are in charge of your trading account. These are the three things: access to my VIP group, your smartphone, and a broker. Now, when you join my VIP group, here is what you are going to be getting once you gain access to my VIP group. Now, you are going to be getting access to my first beginner course. This is especially for those that have never traded the financial market before. Now, if you are someone that you've never traded before, you don't know anything about forex trading, this beginner course will actually guide you. Everything you need to know has been explained here, and this course is worth over $50. Now, another one is 0 to 4 daily winning trades. Like I said, you're going to be getting trades from experts, like people that are actually good, they are professionals. So this time, even though you are learning how the markets work, you are still earning money on the side. Okay, so you're going to be getting signals, and this is actually worth over $100. And these signals, I am going to be dropping it every single day in the community, in my VIP group. That means you have the chance to make money every single day. Now you are going to be getting access to my WhatsApp community. Now, these are my WhatsApp community. This is where you are going to meet like-minded traders like you, traders that have traded the financial, they have knowledge. You have in this community, you have the you can ask questions, especially in places and area you don't understand. You can ask questions in the community, and the traders will answer you. We are going to meet like-minded traders. Now, this what you are going to be getting again is life risk management strategy section. Like I said before, the risk management is important. Learning how to manage your account so you don't lose your money is also important. I am going to be holding a risk management strategy section, and this is actually worth over $50. If you want to even learn how to manage your risk alone on its own, it is worth $50. Now, access to my money back strategy that's been making me good money, you are going to be getting it. This is actually worth over $100. Now, if you are going to be calculating this all together, everything is giving $300. I know you'll be like, everything is giving $300. But let me just calm you down. But all this will be accessible to you for just $30 monthly. Now, the subscription to my VIP group, because you have to subscribe every single month. The subscription to my VIP group is just $30 every month, and you're going to be getting access to everything I mentioned. And I am going to be rest assured, you will make let me just not overhype it. You will see yourself. So all this will be accessible to you for just $30. Now, to gain access to my VIP group any moment from now, you just need $30. Yes, you just need $30 to start trading with me. If you have no previous knowledge, you'll be taught all you need to know to trade signals successfully. If you've never traded signals before, okay, you've never traded signals before, or you've been trading signals, you should know everything you need to know to trade signals successfully. You are going to gain access to it. Then you can now start trading. Now, this is actually one testimony. I have more than this, but let me show you this testimony. This is actually a testimony from someone from my community, my first, not even in my VIP group. Now, I actually dropped a free trade in the community. She took the trade. You can actually see she made over $31. That means she make the signal money back. And if, the interesting thing is, she only opened a single position. She only opened one single position. She opened one single position, and she made the money for the signal in a few minutes. That is to let you know that even the signal group is, you will make the money back. If you are serious, you are going to make it in a day. You can make your money back in few minutes. You make your money back. Yes, you can see the testimony. She said, "You gave me money to pay for the VIP group. That means because of the trade, the free trade I dropped in the community." She said, "I gave her free money to pay for the VIP group." That means if you are following me up in my community, you can take advantage of my signals, because I drop free signals trade there twice daily. But if you want to get unlimited access to my VIP group, to my signals, then you need to be part of my VIP group. Okay. She said she made her $30 back from a single trade using a 0.01 lot size. This is the lowest lot size, 0.01. If you're a trader, you should know. She used this 0.01 lot size and she made over $30. You can actually see a lot of money to be made in the financial market, even though you are a complete beginner. You know nothing about it. You've never traded before. Don't be rest assured, okay? So now, like I said from the beginning of this video, I said I have something for those that will stay till the end of the class. I said so. Now, give a way for you to get started in the next 24 to 8 hours. Okay? Now, this is for those that stay to the end of this video and those that want to start to the end in the next 48 hours from now. Like I said before, from the beginning of this video, I have a free gift. Now, you're going to be getting access to my Make $500 in 30 days refund policy. Now, let me explain this policy. This is actually a monthly challenge in my community. Now, I give my students access to this. Now, I give them a challenge. Once they can make $500 using my signals in 30 days, I am going to be refunding their money back. This is actually a money back guarantee once you can make $500. And this is actually worth $50. Okay, this is worth $50. I'm going to be giving you access to this monthly challenge. Now, it's not even there. Access to my guarantee flipping challenge. You will flip any amount in this challenge in less than 30 days. We are going to flip any amount. Like I said, you are going to be getting access to my flipping challenge. Now, my flipping challenge also, and we teach you how to flip small accounts in this challenge, and this is worth over $100. Now my mentorship. Now, yeah, even though you're going to be gaining access to my mentorship, okay? Now, my mentorship on how you can make your first $100. Just like I said before, and I'm not capping about this one. I said you're going to be getting access to my mentorship. My mentorship on its own is different amount of you will pay good amount of money if you want me to mentor you. But for those that will start for the next 48 hours, instead of paying for my mentorship, instead of paying only for my mentorship, which is worth over $200, you can gain access to this. My mentorship on how you can make your first $500 trading with my signals. Now that means my DM will be open for you. It will be open for you 247. My DM will be open. And in this DM, you will ask any question. You can actually ask any question you want to ask. And this is actually worth over $100. Now, you are going to be gaining access to all of this. My money back guarantee, that is my refund policy where I will pay you back your money once you made $500 in less than 30 days. Okay, I am going to be giving you access to my flipping challenge. I'm going to be giving you something that will guide you. I'm going to giving you one of my guide that will actually help you flip any amount of money and in 30 days, and this is worth over $100. Now my mentorship on its own, if you want to pay for my mentorship, you want me to mentor you about forex trading, you have to pay at least $200. But this time I'm going to be giving you for free. I'm going to be giving you for free. And a mentorship on its own, just like I said, it's worth $100. But I am going to be giving you access to this. If you calculate everything, everything is worth over $250. Okay? Everything is worth over $250. Meaning that if you are among the first 5 people to get started any moment from now, in the next 24 hours, in the next 48 hours, sorry, till the next 2 days, which is actually 48 hours, you're going to be getting all this for free. You're going to be getting my money and mentorship for free. You're going to be getting access to my money back guarantee for free. You're going to be getting access to all of these things for free. You're not going to be paying me $250 to gain access to all these things. You only pay $30 monthly. Okay, instead of paying $250 to just for this bonus on its side, not even the mentorship. The bonus on its own is $250. I am going to be adding it to you. So you only pay $30 monthly for this for my subscription. So are you ready to take action? That is one question you should ask yourself. Do you feel like this is an opportunity for you? Okay, if you feel this is an opportunity for you, congratulations, and congratulations to be here till the end of this video. It is actually a good thing that you are here. Now, if you are ready to take action in the next 48 hours, here is the step to follow. You just need to follow these 3 steps. Okay, these 2 steps, sorry. Number one, get your $30 ready. Get your money ready. You need to get your $30 ready. Don't come to my DM if you don't have any money, because we are here to trade and make money. So if you are coming to my DM and you're telling me I don't have money, don't even come. Get your $30 ready before you come to my DM. Now chat me up ASAP on WhatsApp. Now there's a link below this video, and if you don't see the link, you can come to my DM. My DM will be open to you. Okay, come to my DM and saying, Ivy, I am ready to trade. Please guide me. And I'll surely take it up from there. Okay. I will surely take it up from there. So this is what you just need to do. The steps you need to follow. Get your $30 ready. Chat me up on WhatsApp and I'll take it up from there. Okay. So you need to take action now. You need to take action now. Okay. This offer is only valid for you to take action in the next 48 hours from now. So if you want to be among this go getter, so if you want to be among this go getter in the next 48 hours, send me a DM. My DM is open. Send me a DM telling me you are ready. Okay, so see you guys on the other side. Thank you.